There's a beautiful stillness in Brunei, and it all stems from its abundance of nature. It's a diverse paradise to capture exotic wildlife in a preserved habitat that's irresistible from every angle. I love that wherever I look, whether it's out across some of the oldest rainforests in the world, or deep below in the underworld majesty, full of vibrant and vivid colors, this place has an enchanting effect on me that I'll always find peace in and a desire to return. Brunei, a kingdom of unexpected treasures.